Hey everyone. Welcome back my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of your vehicle, the engine. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a DIY mechanic, or just someone curious about how your car works, understanding the engine is essential. In this video, we'll break down the key components of a car engine and explain what each part does. From the mighty pistons that drive your vehicle forward to the intricate timing belts that keep everything in sync, we'll cover it all. Engine block. Function. The engine block is the core component of the engine, housing the cylinders, pistons, and other essential parts. Details. Made from cast iron or aluminum, it provides structural support and contains passages for coolant and oil. Pistons. Function. Pistons move up and down within the cylinders, converting fuel combustion into mechanical energy. Details. Describe how pistons are connected to the crankshaft via connecting rods and how they create pressure during the combustion cycle. Crankshaft. Function. The crankshaft converts the linear motion of the pistons into rotational motion to drive the vehicle. Details. Explain how it rotates within the engine block and its role in maintaining the engine's timing. Camshaft. Function. The camshaft controls the opening and closing of the engine's valves. Details. Discuss the difference between overhead camshafts, OHC, and overhead valve, OHV, designs, and how timing affects engine performance. Valves. Function. Valves regulate the flow of air and fuel into the cylinders and exhaust gases out of the engine. Details. Explain the difference between intake valves and exhaust valves, and how they work in conjunction with the camshaft. Timing belt/chain. Function. The timing belt or chain synchronizes the rotation of the crankshaft and camshaft. Details. Discuss why proper timing is crucial for engine performance and what happens if it fails. Fuel injectors. Function. Fuel injectors spray a fine mist of fuel into the combustion chamber for efficient combustion. Details. Explain how modern fuel injection systems differ from carburetors in terms of efficiency and control.